These Ghibli-style illustrations are trending on Instagram. But don't worry, I'll show you how to create them using AI step by step. From generating ideas with ChatGPT and Grok AI to refining the final look, let's get started. So I just opened ChatGPT, and as you can see, the interface is pretty straightforward. Now let's ask it something interesting. Hey ChatGPT, everyone is using you to create Ghibli-style illustrations. Look at ChatGPT's response. It knows the trend and is ready to help us generate ideas, scenes, and colors. Let's refine our concept and bring it to life. First, click on Upload File and choose the image you want to transform into a Ghibli-style illustration. Once the image is uploaded, go to the chat box and type this prompt. Convert this photo into a Ghibli-style illustration. After that, hit Enter and wait for the magic to happen. There you go. You can now see how your favorite actress looks transformed into a stunning Ghibli-style illustration with all the vibrant colors and magical details. Now let's open a different image and try the same process again. Click on the chat box, type, "Convert this photo into that Ghibli art style illustration," and then hit Enter. Watch as the magic unfolds once again. There you go. The result might look a little funny, but you can always give it another try. Well, now let's try the third picture on ChatGPT again. First, click on Upload File and upload your image. Then in the chat box, type, "Convert it into a Ghibli-style illustration," hit Enter, and wait for the magic to happen. There you go. This one looks really cool. Now let's move on to Grok AI and see how it performs. Click on Open File and choose the picture you want to convert into a Ghibli-style illustration. Now click on the chat box and type the same prompt. Convert into a Ghibli-style illustration. Once you've entered the prompt, hit Enter and wait for the magic to load as the AI transforms your image into a stunning illustration. You can see it's looking really beautiful. Now let's try another picture. First, go ahead and upload the new image you want to transform. Once it's uploaded, type the same prompt in the chat box. Convert into a Ghibli-style illustration. After that, hit Enter and patiently wait as the magic unfolds. It will turn your new image into a stunning Ghibli-style creation. There you go. You can see how amazing it looks now. If you want to turn yourself into a cartoon just like this, I've uploaded a tutorial on how to convert your image using the Cartoon Converter Free AI. Check out my Design AI Mastery tutorial for step-by-step instructions.